So far, you have been familiarized with various approaches that sociologists use for studying social phenomena. Like we know what the functionalist perspective was, the conflict perspective, and interactionism. We are going to talk about the feminist sociological theory now. That is, how do the feminist sociologists look at the social phenomena? It is understanding and examining social phenomena using a gender lens and from a feminism perspective. यानी sociologists किसी social phenomena को देखते हुए, उसके बारे में तहकीक करते हुए और उसको समझते हुए ये जेंडर लेंस इस्तेमाल करें. यानी वो देखें कि जो चीज़ या जो मसला या जो चैलेंज जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसमें जेंडर का क्या पहलू आता है. यानी किसी शख्स का कोई मसला उसके जेंडर की वजह से है, उसकी सिन्फ की वजह से है या किसी और सोशल वजह से. Intersectionality between feminist perspective, conflict perspective and symbolic interaction has been found. इस सोच के मुताबिक हम देखते हैं कि दो जो सोशोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं यानी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव और इंटरैक्शनिज्म वो जो हैं बहुत नज़दीक हैं feminist sociological theory के. That is, they both or the three of them they look at the social phenomena in a very similar manner. Structured social inequality between the privileged and the oppressed is focused upon. That is, the way one class exploits the other class or oppresses the other class. It is studied, and at the same time, gender is also studied in the same way. How one gender may exploit and oppress the other gender. The inequality is maintained when the two classes share ideologies. ये एक बहुत दिलचस्प चीज़ है, इसको समझने की ज़रूरत है कि जब माशरे में एक क्लास दूसरी क्लास का इस्तेसाल कर रही है या एक जेंडर दूसरी जेंडर का इस्तेसाल कर रहा है तो क्या वजह है कि ये सिस्टम जो है वो कायम रहता है और टूटता नहीं. इस पर्सपेक्टिव और इस नज़रिए के मुताबिक ऐसा इसलिए होता है कि जब वो दोनों क्लासें या दोनों जेंडर किसी नज़रियात को शेयर कर रहे होते हैं, उनका एक कॉमन बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है या उनके नज़रियात जो हैं वो एक जैसे यकसानियत रखते हैं. मगर फिर एक स्टेज ऐसी आती है कि जब ये यकसानियत टूट सकती है. When the oppressed class has enough resources, they challenge the ideologies. As long as they are weak, they do not have resources and they do not feel strong, they do not challenge the ideologies. But once they have enough resources, then they will challenge the ideologies and break the barriers. And this applies to men and women's situation and relationship also. As long as women are weak and dependent, they will not raise their voice. But once they become empowered and stronger, and they have resources, then they will challenge the existing system. Feminist sociologists study women and their ability to gather resources from a variety of sources. And women challenge the existing ideologies to attain empowerment. So when will women raise the voice? When will women challenge the ideology? It will be happening only when women are looking for empowerment. They take risks and they take challenges because they want to be empowered. When they don't want to be empowered and they are happy with the status quo, they would perhaps not challenge the ideologies and the existing system. So this is how the feminist sociological perspective looks at these things. Feminist theory meets symbolic interaction in a manner, that is, the research on unequal power relations between men and women. Men and women have power relations, and when men have more power and women have little, limited or no power. Looking for ways to empower women where they are being ruled by men. So, how can be the women helped? How can they be taken out of these situations? And what makes them stay in that situation is a focus of attention. Feminist sociologists differ from other sociologists in terms of their focus of attention and the end result being sought. as we have already been saying, that the ultimate goal for any feminist is perhaps very similar. Everyone is looking for women empowerment, better status of women, access to equal opportunities. But how and when it can be attained differs and varies across various approaches and perspectives.